I'm here with Mark Howarth, the new Chief Executive Officer of Chi-X. Welcome to your new role, Mark.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about yourself. I think our readers are interested to know a little bit about where you've come from and your experience to date as you step into this very important role.
Sure. Okay. So I started off in the equity markets in London, and then I joined Instinet in London in the mid-90s. And worked there for a little while, and then I was suckered into a project assignment in Japan, where I naively believed my then boss when he said, "We have an 18-month project for you in Tokyo. Would you like to go and help out with that?" And of course, I said that'd be fantastic. Very much.
How long were you there?
Enjoy that. 3 years later, completed the 18-month project, and then obviously had a much better sense of how long things can take. In the Japanese marketplace. I stayed with Instinet until in Japan, and then did a number of years in Hong Kong with them, running the Asia ex-Japan business, and then a couple of years at Thomson Financial, running the Asia Pac business there, and then I joined Chi-X and moved to London just recently.
Well, welcome back.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about some of the challenges that now face you in your new role. Peter Randall was a very effective figurehead for Chi-X.
Yep.
Does his departure signify perhaps a change of strategic direction, or are you coming into this role expecting to continue Peter's work and more of the same?
Yeah, I mean, I think that if we ask anybody in the marketplace, whether it's our customers or even our competitors, I think that all of them would universally say what a fantastic job Peter Randall and the team have done in building Chi-X up from the German idea 2 years ago to the enormous success that it's been today. And I think that the corollary of that is that nobody wants to change particularly that business model, and my brief from the board has been to continue with the existing plan, with the business plan, to do the rollout of projects and initiatives that are already underway, and continue those through 2009. And our intention is to continue to build on that great foundation and deliver further benefits and savings and efficiencies into our customer base. Super.
Tell us a little bit about the challenges that you see in the market at present. We're seeing some areas of the market really suffering quite badly, with proprietary trading desks shrinking, and with some of the hedge funds facing quite huge redemptions. Is that have we seen the worst of this, or is there more to come?
Sure. I think there are two elements to that. Clearly, from a purely commercial sense, from the business that I'm running, we'd obviously like to see higher volumes. That's the basis of our revenue stream, and to get market volumes back up to where we saw them perhaps as an average through 2008 would be very, very welcome. I think that the flip side of that, and one of the things that our customers are looking to do, is if they are retrenching slightly for whatever reason, pulling out of markets, or just have generally reduced customer activity, they're going to be looking for increased efficiencies in both the trading and post-trade arenas, and either efficiencies in improved liquidity and reduced market impact, and the ability to get their trades away more quickly and more efficiently, or in absolute cost savings, either by paying out fewer fees or being able to perhaps net more effectively at the post-trade stage. So we're going to continue to push that. Those are the things that we have brought into the market, the efficiencies that we've sought to deliver to our customer base, and we're very much going to continue down those themes through 2009, and hope that they can stimulate increased activity and increased interest in the marketplace as we come through the end of 2009 and into 2010.
Certainly challenging conditions give the creative the opportunity to really set themselves apart from their peers. What sort of things are your customers asking you for?
The key one at the moment that everybody is focusing on is risk mitigation. And whether that is in terms of single points of failure type risk, and making sure that they're never caught out by a bankruptcy event. Obviously, the Lehman's thing has concentrated a lot of people's minds on areas where they never really expected to see a single point of failure. So I'm not just talking about that from a technical point of view or a computer point of view. And also the ability in the post-trade arena to have interoperability in the CCP area, because again that represents a single point of failure which our customers are not happy. So those are two practical examples of a general theme that our customer base is looking to achieve, which is to mitigate risk wherever they can.
Understood. Well, Mark, thank you ever so much for taking the time to talk to us today, and best of luck in your new role.
Great, thank you very much. Great to be here. Thank you.